What is up, guys? Welcome to EDUVAPE. My name is Sean, and today we're going to be unboxing the G-Pen Dash. The G-Pen Dash is a brand new portable dry herb vaporizer by G-Pen, Grenco Science. Here's the box that the G-Pen Dash comes in. It comes in this nice puck-like shape. So here's the top of the box. As you can see, there's the G-Pen logo right at the center, and at the bottom right there, there's Dash for the product you'll be getting. And right at the top, you can see that there's a little tiny leaf for dry herbs, because this device is compatible with dry herbs. At the front of the box, you can see that there's Dash written right there, and right at the bottom it says that this device is for ground material. There's that little interesting logo, and right there it just says that this is a Grenco Science vaporizer. At the back of the box right here, you can see that there's a little list of all the things that's included with this device, and at the bottom you can see their social information, their website and stuff. At the bottom of the box, you can see that there's a UPC code, a diagram of the unit right there at the left, and also a scratch off authenticity sticker. And at the bottom of the box, it tells you the battery serial number and also more information about the battery right there. That is pretty much everything. Minimalistic design, really cool, really neat. So let's go ahead and unbox it. Here it is. Here's the container it comes in. Really cool design of the container, of the box. G-Pen Dash. Alright, let's open this thing. First thing you'll notice when you open this thing is the instruction manual. Be sure to go over the instruction manual. This little thing gives you all the information you need in a very efficient and minimal reading kind of way. Right there at the center is a list of instructions on how to use your device. Over here to my right is a little diagram of your device and all the pieces. Pretty cool and unique instruction manual. And so the next thing you'll notice is the G-Pen Dash unit itself. Here it is. It's a very sleek looking piece of electronic. Has a brush metal coating. It has that one streamlined button right there at the center. And right below it, you can see that there's a G-Pen logo that looks to be a LED also. At the very top right here are air holes to either cool a heating chamber or to increase your airflow. I'm not too sure what exactly it's for yet. Here's the unit. You also get a cool tool and keychain. Here's the tool and keychain that it comes with. Has a little G for G-Pen right there. It's a nice scooping tool and a stirring tool. You also get a nice micro USB cable all neatly tied up with that G-Pen logo right there. That is basically everything you get with the G-Pen Dash. You get the G-Pen Dash unit, tool, and cable. That's all you need to use this device. And so let's go ahead and check out this device. My first impressions when it comes to the G-Pen Dash is like, this device is way smaller than I even thought. I was using the Cloudius 9 dry herb vape, and it's actually significantly bigger than this one. This one's even smaller than that, and I thought that one was pretty small. This is almost like a pod vape size. It's kind of crazy. So what you notice is that the center right there, there's a streamlined button. At the bottom, there's the G-Pen logo. At the bottom of the unit, there's the micro USB charging port. And I'm pretty sure these are air vent holes for the heating chamber. To open the device and get access to the chamber, simply remove the magnetic top. There's your chamber. And here is your magnetic top with a little screen. And this part comes right off, revealing screen, and also this unique mouthpiece with a cooling chamber, like almost a cylinder cooling thing. And at the bottom right there on the back, you can see that there's a serial number. This is basically everything that the unit comes with, and let's go ahead and jump right into a demo video. Try this thing out, see if it's any good. To power on the device, press the home button 5 times. This is also how you activate the heating. And if you press the home button 3 times, you're also able to change the desired temperature range. Blue is 375, green is 401, and red is 428 Fahrenheit. To cancel the heating, press and hold the button for 2 seconds. Press the button 5 times to turn off the device. Pretty cool, pretty cool. All right, we're gonna go ahead and test out the device. Make sure to fully charge your device before trying it out. Press the home button 5 times to turn the device on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can definitely tell there's the haptic feedback. Pretty cool. Go ahead and fill your device. Once your device is filled, go ahead and put the mouthpiece on top. Just like that, it's ready. Go ahead and take a draw from it. Crazy how far the dry herb tech has gone. For 70 bucks, you can have a pretty decent vape that doesn't combust your ground material. The G-Pen Dash vaporizer is excellent for someone who wants something really small and portable. The chamber is glass glazed stainless steel, so you get a pretty unadulterated taste. It has a pretty decent 950 milliamp battery that is also pass-through, so you can charge it and use it at the same time. The biggest con for me is the mouthpiece. It just gets way too hot after using it for a while, and I kind of need to go through multiple bowls to get to the right level. Here is the perfect device for someone who wants something more stealthy and efficient. Please like this video and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already done so. To support this channel, please consider getting a good deal on the G-Pen Dash and devices like it at www.eduvape.com. Thank you guys so much for watching. My name is Sean. This is EDUVAPE, the place where you learn and shop vapes.